In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase FPS in Bluestacks 5. If your games feel choppy or sluggish, follow along and I'll walk you through proven settings that make Bluestacks run smoother and boost your frame rate in titles like Garena Free Fire. Start inside BlueStacks by opening the Settings menu and heading to the Performance section. Here, raise the CPU allocation to 4 cores or higher and set the RAM allocation between 4 and 8 gigabytes. Then switch Performance mode to High Performance and save your changes. This tells BlueStacks to use more of your system's resources for gaming. If your PC has limited memory, avoid maxing it out, leave enough for Windows and background tasks. Next, go to Graphics and Settings to enable high frame rate. Turn on the high frame rate option and set the FPS to 60. If your system and the game support it, you can try 90 FPS for even smoother motion. Save the changes. If you notice stutter or heat buildup, step back to 60 for a more consistent experience. A major boost comes from enabling hardware virtualization. Restart your PC and enter the BIOS or UEFI by pressing a key like F2 delete or F10 during startup. Find the CPU virtualization option and enable Intel VTX or AMD, then save and restart. This lets BlueStacks use your hardware more efficiently and often delivers a noticeable jump in stability and FPS. Back in BlueStacks, open Settings again and select Graphics to choose your graphics mode. Try OpenGL first, as it performs best on most systems. If you still see lag or compatibility issues, switch to DirectX. Restart BlueStacks after changing this setting so it fully applies. Inside your game, lower demanding visuals. Open the game settings and set graphics to smooth or low, turn shadows off, and set the in-game FPS to high. This reduces the workload while keeping gameplay responsive, which is what matters most in competitive matches. Free up system resources by closing background apps. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager and close heavy programs, extra browser tabs, and any ongoing downloads. Avoid ending critical system processes, just target apps you recognize. For added stability, use a 64-bit instance. Open the Multi-Instance Manager, create a Pi 64-bit or Android 11 instance, and install your game there. Many modern games run more consistently on 64-bit, reducing random drops. If you still see low FPS, increase RAM allocation, confirm virtualization is enabled, and update your GPU drivers. If FPS drops after a while, restart BlueStacks and close background apps. For lingering lag, toggle between OpenGL and DirectX or lower your resolution. Apply these changes, test your game, and enjoy smoother gameplay.